Good morning, everyone. This is Vinesh Durji. I'm the president of Benesource GPO. We're located in Tampa, Florida. We're one of the fastest growing GPOs. In fact, we're just growing from a 6 month starting date, and now we almost have 100 stores already as members. I wanted to bring you a pharmacist who's a member of Benesource and has been for many, many months, and hear from him firsthand how Benesource has actually helped him in his pharmacy. So without further ado, let me go ahead and welcome Ashish Patel from South Carolina. Good morning, Ashish. How are you, sir?
I'm good, Vinesh. Thank you so much for having me here.
No problem at all. I know, Ashish, you have a pharmacy in South Carolina. Just for the sake of the viewers, let's talk a little bit about your pharmacy. How long have you had it? And your career path, perhaps, to becoming an independent pharmacy owner.
I'm a pharmacist since 2007. Initially worked in Walgreens and then Publix. I opened my own Best Rx pharmacy in 2017 in Greenville, South Carolina.
Excellent. And since 2017, 18, 19, there's been lots and lots of changes in our pharmacy industry, and I'm sure you're aware of that. We've had lower reimbursement rates, and I'm sure you agree with that. We've had
Yes.
difficult, challenging times with legislation in the past, and we're doing so much to change the pharmacy industry for the better. It's a long haul, long road, but you can see many, many pharmacists are now getting together to help us in this industry and make this industry the type of industry that we want to all work in. And with that said, Benesource GPO came around specifically to help independent pharmacies like yourself. We've been working on two main fronts, as you know. We work on helping our independent pharmacies have a better cost of goods, and we also provide many, many other vendor services. So I think we could begin by just you telling us your journey with respect to how Benesource helped you do the onboarding process, perhaps, and how you found that process when we started it with you.
As you said, cost of good was the major problem. That's why I selected to Benasource, and I think I'm so happy after that. Initially, when I wanted to change the supplier, I had thousands of questions, believe me. But Benasource team helped me a lot. I thought the applications and then changing over will be very difficult process. They asked me to fill out some forms. I submitted to them, and then they did everything else, but they did not finalize until they asked me the permission. All your team work very professionally. Whenever I questions, I got the answer immediately. If not immediately, then they come back with the answer in written. So it was very easy and smooth. I really appreciate the professional treatment I got it from Benasour's team.
Well, those are really kind words. We definitely appreciate it. And that's something I'll take back to my team. I know we work hard and endeavor to make sure our onboarding process is very smooth and it's a professional process. And for the viewers who are listening to us, just to understand that there is a lot of work that goes into changing a PSAO and changing insurance companies. But Benesource has got it down to a fine art. And within a few weeks, I believe 3 to 4 weeks, we were able to switch your wholesaler and also your PSAO. Isn't that correct?
That's right. And we don't have to do anything. Benasour's team is backing up for us.
Great. And again, we don't charge you any fees. There's no monthly fees involved. We don't charge you any joining fees. We try to make this process as painless as possible for all of our independent pharmacies. And hopefully they reap the rewards. So let me talk a little bit about the vendor services. I know you mentioned cost of goods, but a good GPO is a GPO that always brings vendor services and programs to our members. We've been working diligently on providing many, many pharmacy services and vendor programs to you. Tell me a little bit about some of the vendor programs you may have joined or have participated in.
Oh, definitely, yes. I joined the, first of all, secondary supplier for the IPC, Paychecks program, then call and doc program, prescription program. I'm still working for the pet medication program also. And
Okay.
I'm looking forward to have more programs to join with Benasource.
Absolutely. We're actually working very hard right now as we speak. I'm working with a accounting firm to provide us a great accounting package, working with an IT firm now. We had a great meeting with a delivery courier system company just yesterday, actually. And I believe I'll be able to bring that to all of our Benesource members for a very, very great discounted price. So I'm looking forward to working with all our independent pharmacy partners and members to bring these services to them. And I hope we can have you join as many of those services so that we can impact your bottom line and get that net profit up.
Oh, yes. And after joining, I'm enjoying the savings, believe me. And I really appreciate bringing in all the other programs, and I'm looking forward to more. Yes.
Well, we appreciate you as a member. And just so folks know outside who are listening to this program, how would you rate Benesource, say, on a scale of 1 to 10?
I would rate 10 out of 10. And by saying that, let me tell you, I have suggested Benesource to my at least another 4 or 5 friends, which they are working with the Benesource right now.
You're absolutely right. I believe I've spoken to 2 of your friends already, and we're in process of onboarding your colleagues as well. So we do appreciate your referrals and your business with that. And, you know, folks, most people wouldn't refer a company if they felt they had any negative things to say about it. As you can hear, Ashish is very happy with Benesource, and I hope to make him even happier by providing him better services as Benesource now starts to grow. And believe me, we're growing very rapidly. We're looking forward to joining many, many independent pharmacies together and creating a program, a process where independent pharmacies can strive again. So Ashish, if you have anything else to say, I would appreciate.
I'm just happy to be with Benesource. That's all I can say. And I really appreciate, Vinesh, even in your busy schedule, whenever I have any questions or anything, you talk to me and you help me out for that. Thank you so much.
Well, we appreciate you taking your time today. I'm hoping that our conversation today has ignited a fire in some of the independent pharmacies. And just all they have to do, you know, like you did, is send us an email at info@benesource.com or give us a call, and we would be grateful to their business. And we'll be, you know, obviously just like with you, we'll make sure that we have that they have a great experience, just like you did. So again, thank you for your time, Ashish, for joining us today.
Thank you so much, Vinesh.